Hey guys, LechK here, working on a little project right now. I'm doing the roof right now and doing the roof rafters. So I wanted to show you guys a quick video how to cut the Birdsmouth cut using nothing but a simple board or your square, but without any fancy measurements. It's a quick tested process, it works, and it will alleviate the headache of figuring this out. So we're gonna go up top. I'm gonna show you guys how to measure the front and the back section. This is a lean-to style roof, so we're doing 2 cuts. And once we measure it out, I'll show you guys how to cut it. And just to clarify, Birdsmouth cut is this indent cut right here that we're gonna have on each end of our roof rafters, and that basically helps secure your roof rafters to your walls and keep everything in one piece so nothing comes apart. So let's get to it. Here's a quick peek at one I already did. That's where you wanna be. And then the back. So now we're gonna do this one right here. All right, so first you're gonna measure your rafters, the distance you want it to stick out on each end, and then place on each end on your 16, 24 and center line, so you know exactly where you wanna be. Once you do that, all you grabbing is your square, or like I said, you can take a plank of plywood. I'm doing a square because I actually wanna have a thick, wider cut. Technically, you're only cutting, the board should be as thick as this space you have here. Right, so but that will give me a little indent, and I want to go bigger as I'm using true 2x6s here. So we'll grab our square, put it against the wall right here, just making a line. Now we're going like this, same idea, and that's it. This is going to be a bird's cut in the back, and now we're going to go to the front. Now with the top, same idea, line this up. And now we can go cut. So we'll cut the first one. When you cut all the way from here, make sure you lift your soap guide here and start with the line so you get a clean cut, because otherwise you'll be going all over. One, let's cut the other and we can test it out. All right, let's put it up. Also, another thing to save you time, once you cut your first one, test it out, make sure it's a good fit. You can technically lay it on top of next one, just measure out the lines and cut them right there. You don't have to go one by one like this. So it's a little time saver too. Let's check the back. Okay. So slide it all the way in. Nice flush here. Now let's check the front. And look at that. Perfect flush. We are all set, guys. So that's it, guys. As you see, it's pretty simple, no fancy measuring, and it works. Hopefully this is helpful. Any questions, comments, please comment below. Please subscribe, follow. I have lots of other cool how-to videos. I'm doing this whole build right now, which is a sauna/gazebo build. I have some other cool projects on my channel as well as other stuff. So please subscribe and have a great day, guys.